I'm happy to see the players that encounter this kind of pressure defense from Alaska. And I think at the start, medyo maganda yung outside shooting namin first 5 minutes and then nawala, ganyan. But defense namin ay nag-work para sa kanila. And siguro swerte lang kami and then medyo malas sila dahil I think yung kanilang game plan ay hindi nag-work dahil siyempre nung umpisa medyo effective pero we're able to counter it.
What was basically Alaska trying to do? Basically, anong gusto mong gawin ng Alaska team? Well,
they're trying to have a mismatch because they're trying to avoid Abueva and ayaw nila magkaroon ng man for man matchup ganyan dahil makikita nyo ibang first 5 nila, hindi si Abueva, kundi si Meng or ganyan, and then si Eximiliano, so siya point guard, so nagulat kami doon, and then okay lang dahil we don't need to baguhin yung aming game plan and then through the course of the game, doon na lang kami nag-a-adjust. But wala kaming masyadong ginawang preparation except do sa before the 4th game na keep on doing kung saan kami magandang ginagawa. And yung player medyo I think alam na nila kung anong gagawin.
Coach, parang first time nag-deliver ng sabay ng balak si Junmar at si Arvin Cueto ba?
Sabay sila nag-deliver?
Na parehong malaking numbers.
I think dahil do sa ginagawa ng Alaska na mahaba ang oras ni Tos as a bench. So nagkaroon ng opportunity yung mga big man dahil obviously yung kanilang gustong gawin pag-uli si Junmar. But I think naging matalino yung mga player ko ngayon dahil ayaw nilang magpakapagod and then nilalabas namin sila dahil ang gusto namin magkaroon ng match-up. Yeah, kaya nga masaya kami dahil mahirap talaga talunin ng Alaska dahil well prepared sila and every game lagi silang may ibang ginagawa and then binabantayan naman namin yun dahil yung coaching staff ko talagang nagmamasid na mabuti para sa any eventuality, especially sa mga changes nila because that is crucial dahil makikita nyo sa huli talagang parang chess match kanya-kanyang pasok kanya-kanyang diskarte and mabuti na lang si Tubig maganda yung nilaro.
Tatapusin niyo na ba sa ligo? Papabayaan niyo pang
well, binigyan kami ng opportunity, so we're here to win a championship. May opportunity kami, why not? Pero kung hindi, so swerte-swerte lang yan Kung papalarin kami, so napakagandang regalo niya sa aming team dahil lahat ng mga players talagang gustong manalo dahil matagal-tagal na rin silang hindi na nanalo na ng championship lalo na dito sa All Filipino.
Coach, meron bang adjustment na kailangan mong gawin nung halftime dahil isang field goal lang si Junmar nung first half?
Well, sinasabi namin ang lakas namin na kay Junmar, pero ang lakas ni Junmar ay nasa team namin. Sabi ko sa kanya, don't worry about your offense dahil as long as you're helping the team not only on scoring, so it's good for your teammate. And then mabuti na lang yung mga weak man sa guard ay nagdi-deliver. And then si Arvin, maganda rin nilalaro.
Ano kayo?
Social media. Okay na, Coach.
Buhay ka, Coach. Salamat.